mga palangga. So, magsasaing tayo. It's almost 4 o'clock. 3 minutes to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, I'm having rice tonight. And along with my rice, I will have green beans and pork. I-scoop ko na lang. Yan. Tansya-tansya. Gusto ko talagang bumili ng rice cooker, pero yung isa, ayaw niya. Our tea for today will be late because John went out to pick up the Polaris 2 vehicle, the Polaris and Can-Am. So he said to me that I will call you so that you can start cooking. I hope he won't forget because he did it a few times. I-prepare ko lang ang mga ito para pag tinawagan niya na ako, then I am ready to go. So I'm just gonna add a bit of seasoning. Here's my pork. So I will add onion powder. A bit of salt. Just a little bit because I'm adding soy sauce. And soy sauce can be salty as well. And just mix it. Excuse my hands, they are clean. Oop. Just a little bit more. And that's it. That's it. It's ready to go. My rice is almost finished. And I don't need to prepare any vegetable because John said he just wants fries and the meat and potato pie. So that's good. No hassle for tea tonight. It's very easy. Oh, we need more onion powder. Oh, I think we have more in the cupboard. Let's see. I'm not sure though. Yes, I know we have. Because 2 weeks ago, bumili ako. Ay, hihintayin ko muna siyang maubos. And I need to clean the jar kasi tingnan niyo yung jar. It needs cleaning. Hindi ko muna siya itatransfer. Yan. Hihinaan ko lang yung apoy. And pinapakuluan ko yung green beans ko. Isasama ko siya dyan dito. Pero pinapakuluan ko siya para naman hindi siya masyadong matigas. Kasi alam niyo naman ako, hindi talaga ako healthy person. Hindi talaga ako masyadong kumakain ng mga fresh vegetable. Kumakain ako ng vegetable, pero dapat half-cook or luto sila. But don't worry mga palangga, I am learning to become a goat. Diba sa atin, pag kumakain ka ng mga, like for example, cabbage, lettuce, diba sa atin, inaasar ka nila na ay, para kang kambing. Itra-transfer ko siya sa plate ni John. Ang bango niya. I'm so proud of myself talaga kasi yung pastry, ang sarap ng pastry. And alam niyo naman, hindi ako magaling gumawa ng pastry. Naku, hala, tumikit siya. Itra-transfer ko lang siya sa plate. And then, sadya na yung bahala. Kung iinitin ba niya or hindi. Kasi personally ako, pag akin to, iinitin ko yung meat, pero yung pastry hindi ko iinitin kasi pag iinitin mo kasi yung pastry nagiging soggy. And I don't like that. Kailangan natin tong isok sa water. Yan. We need jug and gravy. I-prepare natin lahat para walang masabi si Mister. Hindi naman siya nagko-complain. Paminsan-minsan. Tama na siguro yan. Siya lang naman ang mag-gravy. Right. So, ilalagay na natin yung green beans dito. Yan. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng kaunting soy sauce. Kasi parang ang putla tingnan. Just a little bit. Yan. Mister is here. Hi.
What are you eating?
I'm eating my rice and green beans. I got a problem with my memory card.
She has a problem with her memory.
Now pinch your nose. Hey! Are you gonna warm this up? Okay. I'll leave you to it. I'm not touching that.
Why do you think that? What else do you want to do with it?
Well, because me, personally, I'm not gonna heat up my pastry. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. But the meat underneath,
Well, make it all.
I will reheat it. Can you shake the fries, please?
Shake the fries.
Yes, please. Is it nearly finished? Not yet?
No.
No.
Look at
Oh!
freezing.
I'm watching Glass. Jan is watching Neighbor. So, yung pinapanood ko, yung title niya is Glass. Yung, ano ba, dalawa yung napanood ko na movie. Basta, yung last na napanood ko is Split ata yung tawag. Pero before that, meron pa ako napanood na isa. Hindi ko talaga maalala. Comment kayo kung napanood nyo yung Split na movie. And then, meron siyang bago na it's called Glass. At maganda. Pero hindi ko pa siya natapos kasi si Mr. gusto niyang manood ng Neighbor. Yan yung routine ni Mr. Pag kumakain siya or at this time, Neighbor na talaga. Shake ko muna yung fries niya. Kasi sabi niya, kasi luto na yung pagkain mo, mauna ka nang kumain. Gutom na talaga ako. So, sabi ko, okay. Hindi na ako nag-argue kay Mr. Nakain na talaga ako kasi gutom na gutom ako. Tingnan nyo yung pie ni Mr. Yan. Parang madami tingnan, no? Pero potato lang yan. Yung meat. Walang masyadong meat. Pero masarap pa din. So ito na yung adobong sitaw. Well, adobong pork with sitaw. Yan. Bango. Yung rice natin. So ito na sila. Yung sauce ko is ito. Yung suka na may mga spices. Yan. I don't think so. It's ready, but almost ready, honey.
Don't think so. Almost ready.
Yeah, almost. It's not completely ready. There's a difference.
There is a ready or the not ready. It's that black and white.
Have a look.
Is it ready or not ready? How much dinner?
Why you're eating my dinner?
Can't eat this.
Why?
But
Why you eating that then? Are they almost cooked or are they cooked?
almost.
Almost.
Well, I forgot, you didn't know. Don't think of cold. Think that thing.
Oh, what? I'm eating. Would you like some pork?
I'm having beef.
We're having beef. Okay.
Beefy John.
Ang sarap.
Masarap, ha? Masarap.
Yes, John, it's masarap.
What, darling?
I said yes, it's masarap.
It's masarap, is it? Masarap.
Come on, have one more.
Alright then. I'll have just a little piece.
It's masarap.
Okay. Oi,
Look.
that's mine.
That's massive, honey bear.
That's what you said first time. When you made it yesterday.
I get that you're worried about David.
Right, it's got to be.
It's not as straightforward as that. And now's not the right time.
Woo! We're going out. It's very windy. And it's raining. The weather is not the best for going out. But we have to. Not really. But we've been stuck in the house for a bit now. So we decided to go shopping.
Good.
Now we're just gonna do a
Have you got your
window
card?
shopping.
No, window.
Excuse me?
You got your card? I don't want to get there and then you haven't got it.
I don't think so. I have it.
Oh, right, then we better stay home.
I'm not buying anything.
Well, why are we going there then?
You're looking something.
I thought it was my Christmas present.
I got my card with me. So we gonna go to a shop, a certain shop, and John wants to look something, and that's my Christmas gift for him. But I will not show you what he gonna pick. But he been wanting that for ages, so I might offer to pay if I got my card today. That's where we're going.
Mr. Norris.
John Norris. Where's the entrance? In here. It's very quiet. I like this for Fipa and Phoebe. I'm going upstairs because it's ladies' department upstairs there. Let's see what they got. I like that. It's a bit tight. Size 8. I did not find anything.
No, you want it, no? Always parking, free parking.
Oh, honeybee. I'm so sorry.
Not your fault, darling, is it?
Yung hinahanap niya, wala doon. Wala doon yung size. So, itong lakad na to failed. We're just gonna need to order online.
Come in now, look at that.
Honeybee. Han,
What?
we just need to order online.
Oh, is that parked there now?
It looks like.
Can you put your camera down?
Sorry. We're going to KFC to have our lunch. My battery is blinking, so I just need to change my battery and off we go. What?
Blinking.
Why you're blinking? Your eyes.
Like a battery. I'm running out of power, I need food.
Aww. I'm so sorry. He's sad.
No Christmas present.
I will get you one, don't worry.
Don't panic, Mrs. Mannering.
Are you ready? I am ready. My smile is so big. It makes me happy, this is.
What, KFC?
KFC.
I don't, but KFC does. Okay.
Of course you make me happy as well for taking in KFC.
Okay.
Oh, I want chicken wings. It's busy. Drive through.
Go on. This is the pull. It says pull.
Pull.
Pull. Pull. Come on, pull it.
Pull again. Si Mr. naghihintay sa order. It's quite busy, so it takes a while to prepare the order. I'm so hungry.
There you go.
There we go. It's sparkling water. I thought it's a normal water. Which one is mine? And which?
I don't know, what's your wings?
I really don't know, Han.
What's your wings?
Probably that's yours.
Yeah.
Yeah. And did I order 2 extras? I really don't know.
Some extras in there.
So, chicken wings. Is yours okay?
Yeah.
John ordered a mighty bucket for 1, and there is a spicy wings, and now he's saying that everything is just spoils because of the hot spicy wings. Which is not very hot. But you know, John,
Is it not hot?
John is very sensitive.
Why is the smoke coming out of my ears?
Yung order ko,
I'll have to have some more drink.
all spicy chicken wings and fries. And I order a drink. What's the drink called?
White chocolate, whatever it is.
White chocolate.
Gonna tell you on there, darling.
Whatever it is.
Tell you on there.
Milky bar proshim. We're going.
Yeah, we're passing Macloed. It's raining.
Push.
You got everything?
Push.
You're not strong enough, darling.
You're having trouble to push it.
Freezing out here.
I'm just gonna nip into B&M.
Nip, huh?
Yeah, nip in.
We're nipping.
Come on!
I'm dashing, you see? They only got no pot.
Magkatapat lang kasi sila.
Looking,
I'm
yes,
just
you
looking
enjoy
to
what
see
you do.
if they have flower pot. You see, there's to be crisp here.
Yeah, I got a little one.
No, they don't have a flower pot. No, we did not even have a look. Did we? And we ended up buying a port, 2 port, and to be crisp. Kailangan ko kasi ng port para sa red cabbage ngayong Christmas. You will see. I will make my homemade red cabbage and port. Oh, it's raining. Ah, there you go. Hang on, Han. Do not move. Do not move yet.
I'm just warming the place. Don't leave that there.
I need to wipe myself.
Won't fit in fridge out with it.
I'm wet.
You're wet. So am I. Give it a roofie.
And you are wet as well.
Done.
There you go. Right, we're heading home now.
Yeah.
Time here is 10 to 2 in the afternoon.
It's getting very dark. Well, it's been a wasted trip, hasn't it? Apart from the chocolate crisps. Any cars?
There's plenty of cars.
You know what I mean, Harry.
Nandito na tayo sa bahay mga palangga. Nakatulog ako ng mahimbing. Dumating kami sa bahay kanina 2:30 ng hapon. Ngayon 4:45 na. Nako, patay. Hindi pa ako nakaluto ng tea namin. Hi, dumating kami sa bahay. I got a bad headache kaya hindi na ako nag-vlog at tumiretso talaga ako sa kama kasi yung headache ko is sobrang sakit. Ganito talaga ako pag nagbabiyahe kami, nagkaka-headache ako. So, nagpahinga ako at ayun nga, nako, napahimbing yung tulog natin. So, anyway. Ha? I got a certificate? Oh! That certificate is probably, yes. So, I can see that I got my certificate from that live blood session road to competency. Sabi niya na, why not just get something out to eat? Sabi ko no, just save your money. Ito na, bubuksan na natin yung ating certificate. Do not bend. I'm so happy. Another certificate. I want to do this phlebotomy because I know when I apply my nursing, hopefully I can use these skills as transferable skills. Ah, here you are.
Are you not eating?
Yan.
Oh, you're
I am
good.
eating, but I got rice and pork
She's got
adobo.
rice and pork again.
Wow. So that's it. Does that mean I am qualified phlebotomist? Can I try my husband?
No,
Come on!
very, very dangerous.
Why not, honey? You need to trust me.
No.
Ayaw talaga niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, I can buy some tools and I can try to draw blood from you. He said, no, no chance. Bye! I'm going up. I'm opening my advent calendar. We'll open our advent calendar, mga palangga. Ano na ba to? Pang 17 na advent calendar natin. I think, oh sorry. I think we need to turn on our ring light. Bear with me. There you go. Is it 17 or 16? Iti-check muna natin, ha? Pang 16 na item natin. Kasi yung 15, nakabukas na ba yung 15? Yes, nakabukas na yung 15. So, pang 16 na item natin. It's a brush. It's a brush. So, dalawa na yung brush natin. I think this is also an eyeshadow brush, but more smaller. Yeah, it's an eyeshadow brush. I think para saan ba to? Pang kilay? Or it could be an eyebrow brush. Ito siya, oh. Ito yung item natin ngayon. Yan. At ito yung first brush natin. Yan. So, dalawa na. So, yun yung ating beauty advent calendar na item.